In this demonstration, we'll show you how to create receipt returns using a subinventory that's not quantity tracked. The feature Create Receipt Returns using a subinventory that's not quantity tracked will allow you to create receipts when returning transfer orders from a non-quantity tracked subinventory or returning purchase orders to suppliers that were put away in a non-quantity tracked subinventory. This feature is particularly beneficial when goods are damaged or no longer required. You will need the ability to return these goods from subinventories that are configured as non-quantity tracked. This feature will allow for accurate cost tracking and more efficient material control by allowing you to easily create receipt returns for goods that are received into a subinventory that is not quantity tracked. We'll begin the demonstration by reviewing the forward flow transfer order. We can do this by navigating to the Inventory Management work area. From here, we'll click on the task Manage Transfer Orders. Let's go ahead and search for the forward flow transfer order. Once I've identified the forward flow, I can review the details. You'll see that we have three different items here. We have a plain item, a lot item, and a serial item. And the requested quantity is 3, and the line status is closed. We'll click on the transfer order number and review the transaction origin type. This transfer order was generated via par replenishment, and it's for a non-quantity tracked subinventory. We'll view the additional line details, including the source subinventory, the destination subinventory. We'll review the requested, shipped, received, and delivered quantities. And we can review further details, including the supply request reference number. Once we've reviewed the details, we'll cancel out of the page. And next we'll navigate to the Receipts work area to perform the return. Once in the Receipts work area, we'll go ahead and click on Return Receipts. We'll go ahead and specify the forward flow transfer order. We'll go ahead and review the lines. You'll see that we have 3 items available for return. The subinventory, quantity, etc. is indicated. And once we've selected all 3 lines, we'll click the Return button. Here we'll scroll through the lines and we'll enter the return quantity. In this case, we're going to go ahead and return the full quantity. And we'll notice the return date and the individual performing the return. We'll also specify the lot number, MMJ par lot 4, and we can enter the serial number as well. In this case, we're returning 3 separate serial numbers. We're returning from the par sub non-quantity track subinventory, and destination type is inventory. And once we're satisfied with our details, we'll go ahead and submit the transaction. We'll receive the confirmation that the return transaction was created. Next, what we want to do is we're going to go into Manage All Lines. And we're going to review the return transfer order number. We can search by the forward flow transfer order. Here you'll see the transfer order number, 432097. We'll go ahead and record the number. and we'll see that the line status is returned to organization. Next, what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and review the shipment. So we'll go to the shipments work area and we'll go to manage shipment lines. In here, we'll search by the return transfer order number. You'll see the order type and the shipment, and it's interfaced, and the requested quantity is 3 and the shipped quantity is 3. The source subinventory is par sub, and we'll go ahead and click on the shipment. Here we'll review the details. We have the return transfer order number, order type, interfaced, etc., requested quantity, and shipped quantity. Once we've finished our review, we'll cancel out of this. Now that we've confirmed that the material has been shipped back to the source subinventory, next what we'll do is we'll review the quantity in the source subinventory. We'll go ahead and go to Inventory Management New. And we'll review the quantity using the mobile device. We're going to search by location. You'll see that we have our items here, MMJ 100 and MMJ 101 and MMJ 102. And you can see that the quantity has been returned back to the source subinventory. This completes the demonstration on how to return a transfer order from a non-quantity tracked PAR location.